He's talking about getting meat that's shrink wrapped
Perché
7
no,
months.
c'è
He
conservante.
wants fresh.
Una
Because you
carne,
have preservatives.
un muscolo può restare in frigorifero
A piece of meat can stay in a fridge,
anche un anno.
or even a year.
Per assurdo. Però da una bistecca così riuscirebbe un pezzettino di carne così.
But from a huge piece of meat, you would end up after all that time with a tiny piece of meat taken away.
Perché il fuori diventa muffa, ma il dentro pulendo, tenendo.
So the part that goes bad is on the outside. So if you know when and how to do it, you can carve it appropriately.
Per assurdo.
So if you really wanted to stretch,
Normalmente
you
una
enter the Guinness
bistecca.
Book of Records. You would never do it in a restaurant, but theoretically you could do it.
Normalmente una bistecca fresca noi si compra, si attacca in frigorifero e si inizia a lavorare dopo 35 giorni.
Da quando ti arriva. So usually when they receive the meat from the slaughterhouse, they start to use it. So they hang it in the fridge and they start to use it after about 30-35 days.
Senza conservanti.
Without any preservatives.
Questo noi in Italia ancora lavoriamo tanti prodotti freschi.
In
Quasi
Italy,
tutti.
we still use a lot of fresh products, so completely
Bravo.
free of.
That's why your food is so good.
Bene. Ora aggiungiamo gli asparagi.
Okay, now he's adding the asparagus. A che punto è della cottura?
Ora mancano 6-7 minuti.
So we're kind of 6 or 7 minutes away from. So we did like about 10 minutes. It's been cooking the rice for 10 minutes on its own, and now he's adding the asparagus. Ovviamente ti chiedo perché hai tenuto fuori quelli per decorazione.
Sì.
What's his favorite dish to prepare?
Qual è il piatto che ti piace di più preparare?
Tu questa è una domanda che mi fanno sempre. Allora, mi piace tutto ciò che è semplice.
Anything that's simple.
We're done with the
Se io
cooking of the
mettevo il
risotto.
burro, i formaggi, facevo bollire,
If I put the cheeses and the butter while it was still on the flame,
diventavano grassi saturi.
the fats were that were contained both in the milk, in the cheese, and in the butter would become saturated.
What did he put?
He likes to put it not.
He puts thyme in because he likes it. Oh, there goes the cheese. Oh, look at that.
Questo a piacere come quantità.
No, sì, diciamo, guarda ragazzi, se consideriamo le persone che siamo, tocca, mangiate. Questo è quello che ha persona, eh?
You saw him put all that amount of cheese and butter, but if you calculate that, what he was holding in the hand, that's what is in each portion.
Sembra tanto perché ma siete anche 50
It
persone.
looks like a lot, but it's not. Okay. So
Makes me feel better.
adesso ci hai fatto sentire meglio. Yes. Look at the pan never leaves it's always touching the.
Questo è olio ghiacciato.
This is olio
Olive
d'oliva.
Sì.
Frozen. A little bit of frozen olive oil. Perché che ti fa?
Perché chi non mangia lattosio monta il riso con l'olio.
So for those who are lactose intolerant, so you can't use either the butter or the cheese to make the creaminess, you can use the frozen olive oil to get close to that creaminess without using.
Questa è la manteca
It ends up being creamy,
ma leggero.
but light, because cream would make it very. Before, when he put in the asparagus, he took a little bit out on the side so he could add it here as just as a decoration.
Tips? Okay.
Some cherry tomatoes.
Just for color. A little bit of an Italian flag, I guess.
Solo per
Un po'
guarnizione.
di bandiera italiana ci hai messo.
Bravo.
What's his favorite restaurant?
Right here.
Besides
Standing ovation for the chef.
Grazie. È il lavoro più bello al mondo.
Bene? Va bene? Here he goes.
Oh, look.
Brava! And, woo.
Very good.
Well, we're heading back to the hotel after an amazing evening. The applause and the happiness cannot be even measured. It was a great day. I think that Antonino has earned an applause.
Brava!
This hotel up here on the right is got a
Via bella. Tarantella. Just like pasta fagioli. Amore.